Okay, so this is the tutorial for Sonic. You can do Sonic from these places. Anyways, this is how the tutorial goes. Put your pen like this in between thumb and index, end of the pen, and then sort of like, I guess the middle part of the pen goes like about here. And then what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to do like motion like this, I guess, sort of in a way. Yeah, that would be like, yeah, exactly. As you can see, basically what I'm doing is that I'm going like this, right? And you're not gonna be able to probably do it right away. This one is kind of like, I guess, kind of tough, because you have to like kind of understand the movement, I guess. But you should be able to do it, guys. Don't worry if you're not able to do it right away, because that's perfectly normal. That's how probably every parent spinner was at a certain point. However, but you should be able to do it. Yeah, just practice with some songs. Practice like 20 minutes every day, maybe more if you can. That's perfectly fine. You're still gonna be able to learn it. So hopefully this helped you guys.